Namaste children, welcome back to EVS class. Children, observe this picture. What you can see here children? A policeman and the traffic lights. Have you seen this? Yes, you might have seen, isn't it? When you are passing in the main roads, you can see this. Okay, look at this. Here also, the three colors are there. What are these colors indicates? All that I will be telling you. Okay. And this is the signal light, red, yellow, green. See, there are cameras also nowadays, children. Cameras can detect the different types of vehicles. There are cameras, okay, to control the vehicles, and if anybody, if they don't follow the rules, the cameras will be taking the pics also. So, here, let me continue the lesson. Okay. So, children, yesterday we learnt up to where we have to cross the road. The pedestrians or the people who walk on foot, they should cross the road only at the zebra crossing. That we learnt. So, again they moved on. The meanwhile, Neeraj saw the signal light. So, you can see here. Neeraj is saying, "Sir, red light is on there. Are the vehicles halt? Why?" So then the teacher answers, "That is the signal light. Generally, we find it in circles where roads meet." Okay. You all know about that. Where the roads meet, yesterday itself I told you. The circle is formed in such places, and also even in the main roads you can find these traffic lights. So here she is asking, there are red, green and yellow lights in the signal light. Why? You can see here, red, yellow, green lights. Why are they? The teacher is explaining. Do you know children why these red, yellow, green lights are there? Why means these lights, they give specific instruction to the movement of vehicles. This gives the specific instructions. Even the red light is on. See, other two lights will be off. When the red light is on, that means you must stop. The red light indicate stop. Yellow light indicates to go. See here, the red light, it indicates to stop. Yellow light indicates get ready or wait. And the green light indicates to move or to go. Okay, children? So, here she is asking, "Sir, red light is on. Vehicles are not moving." Red light is on. Vehicles are not moving. Shall we cross the road through zebra crossing? Can we do that, children? When the red light is on, vehicles are not moving. Can we stop? We should not cross the road when the red light is on, because the another light will come for the pedestrians. Another signal light is there for pedestrians to cross the road. So there when it comes, see, you can see here pedestrians, that a man walking, that picture will come. So only that, when if we the green light will be on, and then only we can cross the road on zebra crossing. So here they cross the road. And again the girl asked, "Sir, why do we need signal lights?" Children, do you know why do we need signal lights? Why they have kept traffic lights? See, because you all know that too, especially in cities. You are all there in Bengaluru. And Bengaluru is a city which is a very, very busiest city. So if there were no traffic lights, every day, every minute, every second, there would have been accidents. Because each one will be hurrying to go. They don't even mind for anything. So, because of this traffic lights, they avoid accidents. Traffic lights are there in circles to avoid accidents between the vehicles or between the vehicles and pedestrians also, and also for the safe movement of vehicles and people. So children, did you all learn, did you all came to know what are traffic lights, how many colors are there, what does they indicate, and why they are kept? Yes, let me tell you in simple. Okay, let me tell you. See, how many colors are there? There are three colors: red, yellow, green. And red color indicates stop, yellow get ready, green move. And when the red light is on, we are not supposed to, even though the vehicles are not moving, we are not supposed to cross the road. Once the green light is on and that pedestrians signal is given, only then we can cross the road on zebra crossing. So why the traffic lights are there? Traffic lights are there in circles to avoid accidents between the vehicles or between the vehicles and pedestrians, and also for the safe movement of vehicles and people. Children, I hope you all learned this. Okay, children, let me give you some of the notes. Please complete it. Okay, thank you, children.